Hi, welcome to the how-to video series of Projectrak for Jira, a place to learn more about making your project tracking more effective and secure. In this video, we will show you all the different features Projectrak provides to control the app permissions better and have your projects controlled. Let's start with the general configuration, which is available from the Projectrak dropdown in the main menu of Jira on the Administration option. First, let's see who can administer Projectrak. As soon as we get on the screen, we visualize how the Projectrak permission scheme works and the Jira permission scheme assignation. According to the permissions, this will allow users to take specific actions in Projectrak, such as view and edit project field values, associate layouts, and watch projects. Let's assign who this will be. It can be done from the drop-down menu available in the Groups menu located below. There, we choose the user or group of users who will administer Projectrak. As a default configuration, Jira administrators are Projectrak administrators as well. As you might see in this example, we have authorized our Jira admins and Jira software users. The users who administer Projectrak are the ones who, in the Projectrak's drop-down menu of Jira, can see the option Create, Edit, Project Fields, and Layouts. Now, let's see how to configure the Projectrak project permissions. At the top of the Administration section, click over the Check Out Default Permissions to oversee each user within Projectrak. The Jira admin is the user type with more permissions, followed by the project admin, then the Projectrak admin, and the project user. Those can be modified from the Jira permission scheme by the Jira admin. Let's click over the Check Jira Permission Scheme. We'll be requested with our Jira administrator credentials, and then we get to access the full permissions in the Jira instance. Let's click over Jira's Default Permission Scheme. Then we see the Projectrak permissions, depending on the selected option. It's possible to edit or remove the desired permissions. It's essential to have common sense here when assigning permissions, and it's important to consider one project has one permission scheme, but a permission scheme might have different projects associated with it. If a user cannot see a project field value, they won't be able to edit it. Keep that in mind. Let's see how to configure the project field permissions. In the main menu of Jira, in the Projectrak drop-down menu, click over the Fields option. There, we'll overview a list containing all the project fields we've created with Projectrak over time. By clicking on the Edit option, we can see and choose which role can visualize the current field's values. We have selected the administrators. Let's save it. Right after, a lock icon will appear at the top left corner of the edited row, signaling that field has restrictions now. As a final setup, let's review the system configurations. Represented with an icon in the top right corner, let's choose the System option. Once there, in the left menu, let's look for the Global Permissions option available in the Security submenu. There we see the Bulk Change permission, which grants the user the ability to modify a selection of different projects performing only one action. This time, we have granted access to Jira administrators and anyone using Projectrak. If you need to delete a group, let's do it by clicking over the Delete option. It will come with a confirmation screen, and voila! Now, let's add them back. This can be performed from the drop-down menu below. In the Permission option, we select the Projectrak Bulk Operations option, followed by the group of users we need to add, which this time is going to be anyone on the web, which means, naturally, everyone with access to Projectrak. Unless you need to add another group of users, of course. We click over the Add button, and that would be it. Having the security and permissions of Projectrak controlled will guarantee a healthier management of information within Jira. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels.